great smile can mean so much. It can create confidence inside and out. It can make memories extra special and help you win your dream job. Imagine if you could achieve your confident smile without the embarrassment and inconvenience of metal braces. With Invisalign, you can. Invisalign uses a series of comfortable, virtually invisible aligners to straighten your teeth and help you get the smile you've always wanted.
Before I started using the Invisalign treatment, I felt really self-conscious. I felt like people were staring at my teeth all the time and just made me really uncomfortable.
Using the traditional method of braces was never an option. I would have found that far too embarrassing to wear because they were so visible to other people. For me, Invisalign was the best choice.
Confident that your treatment is almost invisible.
The reason people have orthodontic treatment of the clear braces is that it changes their life in some way. It makes them smile with more confidence, and therefore it somehow enhances their personal life and their professional life.
When we look at the treatment options, we find that Invisalign really helps tick all the boxes. We can look at trying to correct their issues, we can look at trying to straighten their teeth and straighten their smile in a way that no one else is really going to know.
Confident that your treatment will be comfortable.
The best thing about Invisalign is that it doesn't interfere with my daily life, and nobody realises that I'm wearing the aligners every day, all day.
I didn't feel that Invisalign aligners stopped me doing anything that I wanted to or had very minimal impact. You have to take them out obviously to eat. Even that I didn't feel was a big issue. So for me, it didn't limit me in anything that I wanted to do in my daily life.
Invisalign works in several steps. 1. Your doctor approves the stages of treatment. 2. Invisalign uses a patented manufacturing process to construct a series of clear aligners, customised for you. 3. You wear the aligners 24 hours a day, except to eat, brush and floss.
I could still eat and drink exactly what I wanted to. I just took my aligners out and put them back in again.
4. Just swap to a new stage every 2 weeks. 5. And see your doctor every 4 to 6 weeks. The average treatment time is 9 to 18 months.
My name's Nancy O'Brien, I'm 43 and I live in Walthamstow in North East London with my partner Steve and our cat. I'm self-employed, I work with a number of charities. I work with small charities up to sort of the big household names. I found out probably when I was in my early 30s that I had this gum disease. The gum disease had pretty much destroyed a lot of the bone around my teeth. I would cover my mouth with my hand when I was laughing or smiling or anything like that. It made me less willing to meet new people. I was working in the area and walked past here a number of times. Came out feeling quite confident that there was a solution. The whole process was much easier than I had anticipated. It wasn't nearly as traumatic as I thought it was going to be. As I say, it wasn't at all painful.
We had a long, prolonged discussion with her, talked her through her problems, and I referred her to my gum expert who took care of the gum condition. And once that was stabilised, I was able to undertake some implant-based restorative treatment.
I had, I think it was 12 of my teeth removed, and I had 6 implants put in, all on the same day, and I was able to leave the surgery after about 3 hours of treatment with a set of temporary teeth put onto the implants.
Where Nancy had some teeth removed that were beyond saving, and we placed 6 dental implants for her and restored those with some very high-end aesthetic, all ceramic bridges that she's extremely proud of and is happy to smile with.
I think it took about 6 months before I was able to have the final set of teeth. People that I've met who, subsequent to the treatment, who don't know, you know, my dental history, who said, "Oh, haven't you got nice teeth?" I felt, you know, well, what was I worried about, and why on earth didn't I do this before? I feel much more confident now. I feel a lot easier about talking to people, about meeting new people.
I've noticed a great difference in her overall confidence in interacting with us as a practice over a period of time.
I don't have to worry about what I eat. My partner is absolutely delighted. He can sort of see that, well, I look a lot better than I did before. And of course, you know, he's not waking up next to a glass of teeth in the morning.
Enlighten is the best product on the market at the moment.
It does the job and you don't have to worry about it.
Super good products that actually work, where they know they're going to get the results.
There's only one product out there that I use, and that's Enlighten.
Enlighten can guarantee a B1 shade.
And they're going to hit that B1 every single time.
This guarantee cannot be offered with other whitening systems.
So you have a guaranteed result, which gives the consumer peace of mind as well as confidence in the products.
The patients, they're always wowed, and that's obviously what you want to be able to deliver.
I've had so many referrals from patients, friends, family, because they know that this product works.
You're actually shocked as a dentist at the sort of changes that you're able to achieve.
So Enlighten is dentist developed along with scientists.
Their products are, I find, are very solid. They have good scientific background.
They've overcome so many problems that other whitening systems have.
And certainly from my perspective, the support and advice that we get from Payman and his team is second to none.
Communication is really, really easy with the team.
They all just are super positive about providing an incredible service.
If you want something that will guarantee you the results, this is the system that I would go for.
It's knowing and having the confidence that the results you will get will be very special every single time.
We get absolutely fantastic results.
I just love that guarantee that you've got. That's what Enlighten is.
For me, it's quite important for my patients to have a great smile.
It's amazing how people just transform just from the confidence that a great smile brings to them.
When we transform patients' lives, they transform as a personality.
When I used to smile, it was always closed mouth smile, never showed any teeth at all. My confidence in my own smile and even in myself with other people has come on leaps and bounds.
And a smile's infectious. If you go around smiling, you're happier, people around you are happier.
Smiles are very individual, and we're trying to build the one that works for that patient.
I became a dentist because I like working with people and I like helping people.
Becoming a dentist wasn't even on my radar. I was actually a musician. I suppose I needed to do something a little bit more academic. So I kind of made the decision to look to something that involved using your hands and being a bit more dexterous. And dentistry became it.
I didn't think it was for me, and ever since I made that decision to go for it, I've loved my decision, I've loved my choice, I love my job.
To give them that confidence, to give them that self-esteem, there's no feeling like it.
When people ask me what whitening system I use, there's no two ways about it. I stick to Enlighten.
It's a well-designed product. It's a scientifically effective product.
I've used various systems. The best results have always been with Enlighten.
The one system that I know will achieve the results.
The most popular system that we use by far is the Enlighten system.
The patient is on board straight away and compliance is a given.
It's consistent, it's reliable, my patients love it.
I want that guaranteed predictability, and that's what Enlighten gives me, and it gives me that wow effect that I want to give to my patients.
It's predictable. I know that when I tell a patient they're going to get B1, I know they'll either get B1 or they'll go higher.
With Enlighten, we can guarantee a B1 shade.
Enlighten.
Enlighten.
It's Enlighten.
Enlighten.
Nothing else.
Enlighten is the only teeth whitening treatment in the world to guarantee results. It will whiten your smile to the whitest natural shade on the Vita scale, the shade guide used by dentists all over the world. It's completely safe, and you'll love the long-lasting results. Enlighten uses some of the lowest concentration gels on the market.
We always recommend Enlighten as our first choice. It's the simplest cosmetic treatment you can have. It's non-invasive, gives some fantastic results, and there are some products that come with the Enlighten kit that decrease the sensitivity.
So how can such low concentration gels give such outstanding results? Simple.
We make up some trays that fit your teeth. They're sealed so that they have a really good margin around where the teeth and gums sit. You have some gel that we put in there, and you do that over a 14-night period, and then you come in for a power boost at the end and find the results are absolutely fantastic.
And I think that as a performer, it's really important to have an amazing smile. I tried Enlighten and it was amazing.
Enlighten has been called the biggest breakthrough in teeth whitening for 15 years. It has been featured in the press, on TV, and in major scientific journals. It is the preferred whitening treatment for some of the world's top dentists.
I've been using the Enlighten system now for a number of years because of its predictability, its ease of use,
Patients don't have to keep coming back for top-up sessions, and it's a very straightforward, simple system that I can offer a guarantee to be able to say that it's a suitable product for you.
After numerous laser treatments and horrendous sensitivity, it's definitely been the one for me. I can't wait to see my wedding pictures.
To find your nearest Enlighten dentist, please visit enlightensmiles.com.
This is Shakira's Strip, the new white strips from Oral-B 3D White. It's a worldwide success, now available exclusively via dental professionals. Find the closest dental practitioner to you at oralb.co.uk.